What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be working on my Expedition 97 to 02. Probably also applicable to this first gen Navigator. I'm going to be replacing the front universal joints for the front differential. This will only be for 4x4 vehicles. First thing I'm going to do is take off this shield for the front universal joint over by the transfer case. If you look at the front cross member right here, here's where your cats are. You look in here, you will see there is a 13mm bolt located right in the center of your screen. I'm going to go ahead and take that off with a ratcheting wrench. Next, you're going to take out this second one. You can see where my ratcheting wrench is. You can see where that first stud is. So take out that second bolt holding in the heat shield. So this is the orientation that the heat shield will come off in. So if you're looking at the rear of the truck, there's a bolt right there and right there. You can see the corresponding studs right there in the center of your screen. Next thing you're going to want to do are loosen these 4 bolts up front here. I actually am going to loosen these bottom 2 first, and the bottom 2 on the transfer case side. Then I'm going to roll the car, not use the power of the vehicle. I'm going to roll it by hand, try to get those top 2 down on the bottom because it's easier for me to access that. To get all 8 bolts out, your drive shaft, you're going to be able to push it axially, so along the axis of the rotation, towards the rear of the car, and pull it down. Then you'll be able to, and I'm not strong enough to do it with one hand, but what you'll want to do is, I've got it down here, and then you'll just pull it towards the front of the car after it's, no longer fully constrained. Here.